right, let's go to work.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Build it up now. Build it up now. Build it up now. Come on. You ready? You ready? What we're basically doing today is we're going to break up all of this. I got my tiller over there. We're gonna break up all of this ground and we're gonna get these vines up. We got a bunch of vines, but we need to get these things up. We need to get these vines up. So we're gonna break up all of these vines. It's a bunch of them. We're gonna break these things up and we're gonna till this ground up, even it out a little bit. It should be easy to go ahead and till it up some, but let's go ahead and jump on it. So I've got a few little stumps that I gotta get up. Got a lot of little tilling that I have to do, but the sun is shining. It's cold out here, and you best to believe I'm layered up. We're gonna go ahead and get to work. Gonna take longer than I thought.
Turn me up, turn me up. 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 Turn me up, turn me up.
Okay, people. So this is what I have thus far. Yes, I had to pull out the leveling rake, my blower, which was much easier to blow all of those vines, my other rake, the tiller, I've got my shovel over there, and I've got my weed eater. I just weed eated all of this dead grass that got hit by the holy water. So this is pretty much what it looks like right now. It's pretty much clean. I leveled it out just a little bit, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over it. I'll roll it, and then some areas that are kind of low, I'll fill those areas in. I still do have maybe like a couple of these little vines that are still laying in here. And the reason why they're laying in here is because they still have life. This is still green. So, y'all know what I'm gonna do with this, right? I'm gonna bless it with some holy water. But overall, what she used to look like to what she looks like now, I say that that tiller did do a good job. And what I'll do is I will spray it, and then once I get done spraying it, I'll come back, and all these little bitty pieces, I'll pick these little pieces up. And I'm going to wait for some warmer temperatures before I throw some seed down, because right now, tonight's supposed to get as low as 28. So that's below freezing. It's not going to do me any good. For the next few days, we're going to be cold, so I don't want to sit up there and throw some seed down and then that seed get hit with some frost and hard frost, and then it'll kill it. So don't want that to happen. But that's about it. Phase 2 is done. On to the next one.